Hi there, Stefan here. Today I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can do in AutoCAD and can be useful for surveyors and engineers. But before we started, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. That will help my channel grow and help my videos reach more people like yourself. Today I'm going to show you how to create a layout, to create a viewport, to scale it, and how to print it. This procedure can be done in AutoCAD or BricsCAD. I'm using BricsCAD, but the procedure and the commands are exactly the same. So let's get started. We go to layout. You're probably gonna see this by default. We're gonna just delete it. We're gonna go to page setup. In AutoCAD, I think it's called page setup manager. So just be aware of that. Let's choose A3, for example, landscape. I'm gonna choose layout and we're gonna press OK. Now we're gonna create a viewport. We create a rectangular REC, that's the command for both software. OK, just select whatever. Let's say it's gonna be like this. OK. And now we're gonna create a viewport. You select your rectangular, you're gonna write viewport or viewport and press OK. You're gonna select object or O in my case. OK. Select your entity, which is my rectangular, and now it just show up. This scale is to fit, but I want a custom scale, let's say 1 to 200. This is very common in the UK. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the viewport, click inside, then zoom, and I'm gonna put 1 to 200 is 5 XP, 1 to 500 is 2 XP, 1 to 1000 is 1 XP. So I'm gonna use 1 to 200. Okay, and that's it. That's on scale. Next thing, very important, so you don't mess up with your viewport zoom, with your scale. Just write viewport again and press lock, as you see here. Press L and on and off. If you want to activate or deactivate, you press on, and then you need to select your viewport. You select your viewport and OK. And now if you select inside, you can mess. Zoom in, zoom out is locked, so your scale is going to be fixed. So what we're gonna do, let's say this is your viewport where the drawing is, and here you want to write some information. For the sake of the example, just write text, and then you select the direction and just write information. It's big. Okay, you click outside. I will scale this one. Now we have this information. Let's print it out. Click right on layout, print. You're gonna select your printer, or what I do usually, print as PDF. You have here some transparency lines or line weight like here, and you preview it. Happy with it, and you just press print. If you like this one, just subscribe. And also, if you have any other questions about how to do stuff in AutoCAD, just drop a comment, and I will see you in the next one.